Well, as much as I like working on my old classics, doing up the old stuff, you can't go along and keep ignoring your daily driver. So that's what I'm going to do here today. Got a couple little things to do with this girl. Just an oil change, pretty basic. We got to put a CV axle on the driver's side. I got a bad CV axle. So we're going to do that today, and we're just going to check out the front end, make sure everything is good. See if we find any surprises along the way. So let's not waste any time getting at it. Let's jump right in. Welcome to Pit Stop Garage. I think first thing I'm going to do here before I get started, I'm going to back up. I got a couple of ramps here. I'll run up on the ramps, get the front end up a bit higher, easier to work on. So should have done that when I put her in, but I didn't. Oh well, might take a minute. Back her up, put some ramps down, run her up. So I ran her up on the ramps and had to get this wheel hanging to take all this apart. So got her up on a stand here. You got another stand in here so she can't come down nowhere. So make sure you support your vehicles good, guys, when you jack them up. Don't rely on your jack alone. She is tipped a little bit, but she's pretty solid. She can't go nowhere. Alright, start taking this wheel apart. Oh, we're in here. I cheated a little bit. Got the rotor and the caliper all left together. I'm gonna fight to get the brakes back on in. Hopefully that's gonna work. I let go the tie rod in and 2 ball joints now. Or the top one. Might not have let go the bottom one. And I go over here. Take this all the way. I should be able to get that CV axle out. Let's keep on going. Now with everything removed here, you can see him gone. Yep, so now I'm gonna get up here. He should just slide out, give him a smack up there, and he should come out. Magnet. I guess you can figure out by that magnet where I got it from. All the parts your car will ever need. Rockado, this one came from. I like buying stuff at local as much as I can, but sometimes save that much money for Rockado. So that's where this one came from. Hopefully it's the correct one. Alright. Shiny. Uh-oh. I think that's supposed to come apart there. Okay, bye. I guess that's supposed to come apart there. You got a new nut? Cool. Okay, let's see if we can get this up the voice. Get this apart. I'm tearing this up. Huh. Yeah, no, nothing leaking out of her. Thank God. And if I had a fork, it could probably work really good, but I don't. Do not have one. Let's see how much I'm going to beat that up, getting it apart. Hopefully not much. Come on. You're coming. There we go. There we go. A few little taps. Okay, now we're apart. I did dent it a little bit there, but I think it's fine. That's not too bad. But as you can see, I'm gone. Surprised I made it this far. I like using parts to the very end, you know. Get every mile you can out of them. Okay. The key or anything. Don't want to tap on that really. There's a piece of wood. Just give it a little tap there. I don't want to hit too hard. There we go. Just a couple little taps, not very hard at all. Let's just slide right back in. Reverse of what we just did. Now, see if we can feed this one back in. Seal looks good there. Slid right into place. Perfectly. Perfectly. I know these ball joints are good. All this was apart about a month ago. I had a loss of wheel bearing. I had to go to a garage to get it done. So all this was apart. It's new brakes, new caliper. Everything is all new there. And I know these joints, ball joints are all good. So I'm not checking them too much. I'll probably put a bit of grease in them and we put it back together. So let's just reverse order. Okay, so we got everything put back in. Upper and lower ball joints are tightened up. Power run in is good. You can see our new BP axle in place. Gotta check this one here. Make sure he's tightened up good. Let's put our caliper and roller back on. Seems like that worked for me. Keeping it all together. Wanted to fight with our pads and put it all back in place. So save a little bit of time. So almost done. I'll put it back together. And I'll have to throw the tire back on. So then we'll throw the tire back on, we'll put her back up on our ramps before we do the oil change. A bit safer, more secure, eh? Oh, now all we have left to do is oil change. Get her down on all four piles again. Pull the plug. See how big a mess we can make. Oh, not bad. Don't see much on the bag on the plug. That's good. It's all right. Yeah. Filter on these. Hard to see if I can get some light. Yeah. Right there. This one got a frame, but she's not getting a frame no more. She's getting a nap of gold. I only spilled a lot. Oh well. It's a long way to reach when she's up on ramps. I need R2D2. Oh, we got lift it. Top up the oil. Permanent Napa, full synthetic. 5W20. Ultra protection. Cool. Just made a funnel. Homemade. Make sure you put the plug in back in the base pan. I might have done that before. Put the oil in, forgot to put the plug in. Oops. Leave her with that much. Figured out the ramp and check her with that much. Now we got oil put in her. We gotta go in on this one. We gotta reset the oil life. Yes, I know. It's great. Remember now. I think the vehicle info. Oil life. And we go to reset. And there we go. New oil. Just like that. As you can see, 275,000 on this one now. Still runs really good. No lights on the dash. We just had a windshield wash. Tire pressure some lights on because I got the winter tires on right now. There's no sensors in those, but yeah, there it is. This is my old daily. Good truck. Starting to get the Dodge manifold leak. Soon got to tackle that one, but other than that, pretty good. Now try that step in the mess I got made. Let's check make sure oil amount is correct. Ooh, put the cover back on. Oops. She's right on edge, so she needs another quart. Yeah. Oh, close. Done. There it is. Took a bit of time this morning. A little over an hour actually. It took to do all this. And we got our daily. Ready to go again. So now I can focus on back at the classics. Get that 54 back in and continue on. Gotta go clean up our mess though. Little bit of mess on the floor. Oops. But that's okay. We'll clean all that up. I'll get this one took back out, clean all that up, and run the custom line back in, get back at her. So thanks for watching. If you haven't hit it already, hit the subscribe button down below. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. You'll get videos like this. Could be anything working on this to working on equipment, classic cars, whatever I'm at. I'll post off for you to have a look. So thanks for watching. See you again next time.